A brand new Dollar Tree with brand new finds.
All right, you guys, this is easily one of the absolute nicest Dollar Trees that I have been into. And yeah, we're gonna do some damage in here.
All right, you guys, so that store was actually pretty good. I did find a few viral things. I did find some new things as well. And so I'm going to share with you those items. And then I did go to Hobby Lobby as well. And I'm going to show you some of those items that I bought because these are all going to be in some upcoming DIYs. Now, I did just wake up still in my pajamas. So if I look a little tired, that's why. But this is the first item I grabbed. Look at these beautiful towels, these kitchen towels. Now, my mom got me some great kitchen towels for Christmas, but I always go through my kitchen towels. I don't have kitchen towels that are, you know, the pretty ones that are just there. Like, I use mine. So I will go through kitchen towels. But look at that blue and gray. And they're kind of like those bar cloths that you get that I love so much at Dollar Tree, except for they're blue and gray. And they did have these in red as well. I might have to get more of those, honestly. This is something that I thought could be a really fun DIY, very easy DIY. It's this great plastic kind of platter. It's in where all the paper plates and all the plastic like servingware and stuff is. But look at that trim detail that it has on there. And it literally looks like they just took the Dollar Tree beaded, like the Mardi Gras beads, and just glued it on the ends, which is something I'm sure many of us creators have done in the past. But this is a great item to DIY, and this would look so good. I'm thinking about like in a kind of an oil rubbed bronze color and putting it on the coffee table because that it will look fantastic. So more to come there. This is one of the quote unquote viral things that you see at the store that you're seeing on the TikTok and on Instagram and even on Facebook Reels, honestly. And here on YouTube. It's the eye massager. And so this is a vibrating under eye massager. And the idea is that you're supposed to be using it here. It does require one AAA battery, which is not included. But I mean, if it works, then we're going to give it a try. I feel like I need this right now because, again, I did just get up. So I'm definitely a little tired looking. But that's kind of the idea behind it. Obviously, I don't have the battery in it right now, so we'll see. I am TBD on this stuff. I have a bad habit of buying a whole bunch of things like this, and then sometimes they work, sometimes they don't, so we'll see. This is another thing that I bought. I bought these containers because after just going to the beach twice, kind of back to back with everything going on with the family, I did not have any of these travel containers, and I have a regular skincare that I'm using now with, it's by Peter Thomas Roth, and it's great, and I love I'm buying their moisturizers and their face masks. I'm keeping everything consistent within one brand, but I didn't have a container to take any of my face wash with me, so now I do. If I have to go out of town for another reason, hopefully not for the same reasons that I had to before. I got some Elmer's glue. I also got a piece of tag board, the thicker poster board that I'm going to be using for a vision board. So I'm going to be doing a vision board and putting it up here in the craft room. My craft room just feels energized and I don't know, I kind of revamped some of the things on the shelves over there, and then this is kind of my office area. I had my friend come in and help me hang up the pegboard system, which I'll show you here on screen. It's so good. There's a couple other pieces that are coming for it, but yeah, I'm getting back into the vibe. So excited about that. A couple frames. So I bought this 4x6 frame at Dollar Tree just because it's a very simple, easy frame to use. Then I also bought a larger one because I have a great, very simple, very easy DIY project. I did buy a large chalkboard. This is 8x11, so it's a little bit big for some of the frame stuff, but I think I can cut it. So we'll see. We'll see. These I thought were super sweet. These little butterfly coat hooks. These were from Dollar Tree as well. Everything right now is from Dollar Tree. I'll let you know when I kind of make the shift. But they're cute because you can kind of, you know, spread the wings out. And I did kind of look at these, and I think they'll come off of these hooks pretty easily. So that's kind of fun. And I thought they were just beautiful. But I have an idea for those. So excited about those. Of course, you know me and socks. Can't totally get rid of them. Coca-Cola socks I thought were adorable. The Coca-Cola bear, super, super cute. And then the Papa Smurf socks. I'm wearing socks like this, kind of with my dress shoes, depending on, you know, what my mood is that day. But then also I'll just wear them around the house. So I've done that. I found some more of the hand sanitizers, the glittery purple ones. And this is the moisturizing hand sanitizer, and this one has collagen in it. This is the sugar plum scented. I didn't spray them in the store because I just hate it when people do that. It's nice. It's nice for hand sanitizer. It's perfectly fine. So I've got a little stockpile. These are starting to show up in my stores now, and every time I go and I see, you know, a different scent, I'll buy a couple of them. And I've got some in the car. I've got some in my bag. I've got some here at the house for back stock, and I'm excited about them. And then they did have this container that is a carrier for them. It's kind of a neutral color, and I bought that so I could carry some of them around, or at least have some different options. This was a little piece of home decor that I saw at the store, and it was at Dollar Tree, and again, thought it was kind of cute. I think we could improve on these tassels a little bit. The tassels are looking a little weak, and maybe even improve, honestly, on the beading. But I loved this. This is actually why I bought it. And I kind of liked that side more so than this side. This side is kind of almost like a bowl. It's kind of, you know, curved. And then this side is the opposite, but definitely have an idea for this, and you may figure it out when I show you some of the other things that I got. This sailboat kit, to me, this is just a classic. I love this for summer. It reminds me of so much fun things as a kid. And these sailboat kits are fun because they're super easy to put together. You can use the glue that comes in here, or honestly, I just use wood glue, like hot glue, and it works perfectly fine. It comes with a white sail. You can paint these navy or stripe them or do different things, and it's just a fun kind of decor kind of thing to put in the bathroom. That's probably what I'll end up doing. This is cool. So I have a moisturizer that I use that has this kind of a pump container. This is not moisturizer. This is just the empty container. But what's nice about this is that there's nothing in this right now, by the way. You pump it, and pump needs some work. But you pump this, and whatever you put in there product-wise comes out through the top, and then you can just kind of, you know, but it is refillable. It's in the Valentine section. So it is called a 1 ounce pump bottle. It's great size for airports. And I do really like the fact that it screws there, but then this kind of snaps on. That is going to be perfect for skincare or for moisturizer or anything like that. They only had either this pink, or they had like a very glittery, sharp red color. So that was interesting. Of course, we're always going to save our receipts. Remember those. If you're not signed up for Fetch Rewards, you really should. There's a link down in my description box. There's a referral as well. I'll get a referral. You'll get a referral. And you'll get some bonus points towards your gift card purchase. So the way Fetch Rewards works, if you're not familiar with it, you scan every single receipt that you have. And what happens is you earn points every time you go shopping. So it could be a McDonald's receipt. It could be a gas station receipt. It could be a grocery store receipt, a Walmart receipt. Those types of receipts actually do a lot better sometimes because you'll get bonus products even. And you'll earn points that you can then redeem for gift cards to go shopping with. So why wouldn't you do that? But again, link in the description box. There's a referral code down there. So Hobby Lobby, got quite a few things there. I like Michael's. I like Hobby Lobby better for crafting supplies. Sorry. I got a t-shirt for my boo because I'm making him something on the Cricut, and he is currently not feeling well. So I'm going to make him a cute little t-shirt there. I got these wood knobs because I have a great DIY idea for these. And that will be in my next video, which will be a DIY video. I have this wood bow. I'm sort of have an idea with that. But then I also saw these acrylic bows. And it'll either be one or the other bows. I think it's going to be this one. Super cute though, right? Super cute. And there's 1, 2, 3. I think there's 4 in here. Yeah, there's 4 acrylic bows in here. And by the way, these were $3.29 plus whatever discount they were doing, which is great. I got a very cool wood burning kit that does it by letters. And so I thought that would be fun to customize some keychains. I'm going to try some initial like keychains with these because I like how these have that kind of leather bound. And maybe, who knows, maybe sell them or something at a craft show. And then I found these larger tags as well. These were $3.99. These other ones were $2.99. So yeah, we'll have some fun with those. Maybe even that's a great way to label like some organization, some baskets, some different things. So who knows? I got this clock kit. This was $3.49. Maybe you've already seen what I'm thinking of doing with the clock kit. So that's there. And then, again, got my Hobby Lobby receipt. So I'm going to go ahead and scan that into Fetch Rewards as well, just to make that gift card, money. I'm going to put both of my receipts off to the side so we can do that. I bought some fencing for a fairy garden idea that I have. I bought these. These are like acrylic stands, so they come with the wood stand and they're acrylic. And I was thinking about a DIY idea for those because I bought 2 of them. So more to come there. And then these, I guess I'm thinking spring and warmer weather coming, and thinking about these butterflies. Thought that they were really, really pretty. And I kind of have an idea that I think might work. So we're gonna give that a try. And then I bought this cute little wood tray, such a sweet little wood tray. This was $7.99, but then all their spring stuff was 30 or 40% off. And so it was less than $7.99. And this is going to be, I think, really, really cute when it's all said and done. So that's my haul. I know I have a lot of hauls right now, but I tend to have a lot because I like to shop. And I want to show you guys everything that's out there and available. There are some really cute things. Again, this Dollar Tree was gorgeous. Probably one of the nicer ones that I've been in. It had been open apparently since July. I don't really go on that side of town a whole lot, but it was nice to see that for sure. And then I've got DIYs that I'll be working on. I've got a bin over there with some DIYs that I'll be working on. So yeah, there are DIYs here too. All right, guys, until next time.